So what I really liked about the Masters in Entrepreneurship was how practical it was. So at every class that we took, I got to use KeepAppy, our business, as our assignments. So we were also doing assignments for the class, but I was always doing real world research for our business. And when we got good feedback from a professor, or if we even got negative feedback, that was both helpful because it was more market research and more validation for our idea. And in particular, two classes that I can remember that were really helpful was brand management, just because branding is so important in today's world. Like, there's so many companies out there that the brand is a lot of times the one thing that separates you from the rest. And then the other class was international entrepreneurship, and that was really helpful in how you could successfully scale a company and also how to best deal with investors and venture capitalists when it comes to fundraising, because that's a very, very important part of entrepreneurship if you want to take it to the next level.